Want to see my crazy dog Copper? There's Copper. There's the lawnmower. Now Copper, what are you doing? The minute I start to pull the cord, Copper just loses his mind. Is it cranking up? Is it running? Nothing. It's just pulling the cord. Copper's losing his mind. I stop. Yeah, I'm out here. I stop this to Copper. Watch, I start again. And Copper starts back. I stop, and Copper stops. I start again, and Copper attacks the lawnmower again. Again, it's not running. That's all I'm doing is that. That's all I'm doing. Copper's losing his everlasting mind. Wait, I stop. Copper stops, and Copper goes ham again. There's my nephew. This dog is nuts. No, you don't do anything. Let it go. Zaire. Now he's running. Now he's running. Stop, Zaire. Stop.